Do you want to create a feeling of luxury in your space? I have one simple tip and 3 ways to use it. Make sure you watch to the end to find out all 3 ways to use this tip in your home. And there's a bonus in the 3rd one. Here's the tip. Use one statement piece to anchor the room. What do I mean by statement piece? Tell me in the comments what you think of when I say statement piece. A statement piece can be anything that grabs your attention as soon as you walk in the room. Like a piece of original art, a custom piece of furniture, a fabulous printed fabric, or even a large accessory. It creates a focal point. What pieces do you have right now that you can use to base your room design on? This is something that professional interior designers like me do with each project. We find that one special piece that is unique, quirky, or elegant depending on your design style and use it to draw the eye. So here are 3 ways you can use a statement piece to anchor your space. Number 1, focus on quality over quantity. When selecting a statement piece for your space, prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in pieces that are not only visually striking, but also of exceptional craftsmanship. Whether it's a statement sofa crafted from luxurious materials, a bold piece of artwork that captures attention, or an intricately designed rug that anchors the space, choose items that stand the test of time and elevate the overall aesthetic of your home. If you follow my channel, you'll have seen this picture before. I'm standing in front of a big statement piece that definitely draws attention. This one is a large piece of glass with the picture painted on the back. I can tell you it was lots of fun bringing it up the elevator and then hanging it on the wall. It caused a little bit of anxiety while making sure we didn't chip the edges or corners. What do you think? Was the result worth it? If so, say yes in the comments. Number 2, balance boldness with restraint. While statement pieces are meant to make a statement, you need to strike a balance between boldness and restraint in your design. Avoid overwhelming your space with too many statement pieces and instead focus on placing them strategically. Mix textures, colors, and patterns thoughtfully to create visual interest without detracting from the overall harmony of the space. By layering statement pieces with more subtle accents, you can create a balanced and coordinated design that feels luxurious and refined. In this Harlingen, Texas room, I used a bold printed fabric as the statement. The blue and white palette is a classic, and I livened it up with the tigers. Keeping the quilt in white balances the custom pillow and duvet in the tiger print. What do you think about the fabric? Give me a tiger emoji if you love it as much as I do. Number 3, layer with accessories. Accessories are the finishing touches that can elevate a room from ordinary to extraordinary. Add luxurious textiles like velvet pillows, faux fur throws, and metallic accents to add depth and sophistication to your space. Experiment with different textures and finishes to create visual contrast and interest. This client, also in Harlingen, Texas, loves color. I pulled together lots of fabrics and different prints to create a fun and personalized look for their living room. The real statement piece is the custom leather sofa that they requested. Yet, adding the mix of patterns in the fabrics made it stand out even more. From statement lighting fixtures to decorative accents and artwork, accessories play a crucial role in enhancing the overall look and feel of your home and saturate it with a sense of luxury. Are you brave enough to use this many different patterns in one room? Give me another yes in the comments if you are. Okay, here's the bonus. Another example of accessories and lighting creating a statement is this beach condo entryway I designed for another client in South Padre Island, Texas. I had the lights custom made for the entry and they enhanced the look of the wallpaper without overpowering the small space. Layering the accessories with multiple textures adds depth and interest to the room. Can you see yourself staying in this condo at the beach? Let me know in the comments. Statement pieces are the cornerstone of luxury interior design, offering a way to elevate your home and lifestyle. When you follow the tips I give you here, you will create a space that reflects your unique style, enhances your lifestyle, and makes you feel joy every time you walk through the door. Make sure to like this video and follow Diva by Design so you don't miss out on my design tips. Bye for now.